So we've got our own little track day group. It's like, you know, we don't take things too seriously. We like to go out and have just a bit of a laugh. None of us have Porsches. There's a few rich boys with some M3s. But yeah, we don't take it too seriously. Like, to be honest with you, it's the social event on the day, and if we can just get around a track and have a bit of a giggle and the cars last you the end of the day, then an absolute win. So Ken has basically had every track car you can imagine and think of to have. So he eventually ended up with the C2 VTS, which has the 1.6 16 valve engine in it, that started off in the Saxo. So that ended up with cams, exhaust, tune. We tuned that, and that was, I think that was about 140, 150 horsepower, something like that. It was an epic little car, really great. Would last all day, every day. Beat on it, cheap brakes, cheap brake pads, just amazing. So Ken being Ken ended up buying an EP3 and doing what everyone else does, and ripping the engine out, throwing the EP3 away, and doing then not what everyone does, and popping the engine into the C2. So Kenny's at Nut and Bolt Garage over in Taunton. They threw it all in. They bought at the time like a link harness for like a K Pro, and we tuned that, and it was a cracking little car. So he decided it then needed more power, so I ended up like buying this supercharger kit. So we then had the car back after his boys and him had fitted up. A chap called Hermfab did a lot of the fabrication work here. It all works very well, very good. Really pleased, really impressed. So we ended up getting the car then, do some bits of the fuel system, and we then wired it. We put it on a Maxxecu street. Obviously bigger injectors, standard engine still, and then we sort of tuned it from here. So at the moment it's doing 292 wheel horsepower on the Dyno Dynamics. To put you in a picture, somewhat like a standard K20 will do about 165, 170 wheel horsepower, good one on my dyno. So it's fairly rapid, it's fairly quick. So yeah, we rewired the whole car, really just ripped the whole loom out of it. So he's just got very basics, nice and light, very, very basics, just on, off, like a little digital cluster in there, which I'll show you very shortly. So yeah, let's just watch it sing up on the dyno now, so you can hear the damn thing. And then I'll tell you how it nearly killed me.